Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Motorola device. I have Motorola Moto G14 and I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. To improve battery life on this device, you just need to open the control panel, and in the control panel you have all features are enabled and disabled. So sometimes we just need to disable unnecessary features. For example, if you're using mobile data and Wi-Fi at the same time, you just need to disable it. So to do it, you just need to click on the mobile data to disable it, or just click on the Wi-Fi to disable it, and that's it. Okay. If you are using NFC, disable it, disable USB share, disable the Bluetooth, and of course disable the location service. But I can't see location services here, and if you don't see location services in your control panel too, you can add location services to the control panel by clicking edit button, then press and hold location, move it to the upper part of your screen, and cool, location services. Fine. So it's great, but in the settings we have battery saving mode. So just open the battery, and in the battery saving mode, click enable, click turn on, wait a while, and cool, now we are in the battery saving mode. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.